Dear friends, I have something important to share with you today. If you've noticed your legs feeling weaker lately, especially when you first wake up in the morning, you're not alone. What I'm about to tell you could change how you feel tomorrow morning and every morning after that. Here's a fact that might surprise you. 99% of seniors don't know why their legs are becoming weaker. Even without any accidents or injuries, leg strength naturally decreases by up to 3% each year after age 60. But recent research has discovered something remarkable. By eating the right foods, you can begin rebuilding your leg strength in as little as 12 hours. The key lies in choosing foods that directly energize muscle fibers, increase blood flow, and reduce inflammation. Our legs are particularly vulnerable because circulation tends to slow down in our lower body as we age. But with the right nutrition, we can turn this around quickly. Today, I'll share 8 scientifically proven foods that can help restore your leg strength starting today. These aren't theories or wishful thinking. These are real solutions tested on actual seniors with remarkable results. We'll explore them from least to most effective, and I promise some will surprise you. The third food on our list, for instance, has shown it can increase lower body strength by 36% in just one day, yet almost nobody eats it regularly. Food number 8, pumpkin seeds, your mineral foundation. Let's begin with something unexpected, pumpkin seeds. These small seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to rebuilding leg strength quickly. The secret lies in their exceptional magnesium content. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. When levels are low, you experience cramping, fatigue, and poor nerve signal response. This leads to stiffness, weakness, and walking difficulties. Research from the Journal of Magnesium. Research found that adults over 60 with low magnesium had nearly twice as much leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with adequate levels. Pumpkin seeds also provide zinc and healthy fats that maintain hormonal balance and control inflammation, both crucial for maintaining strength as we age. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds provide enough magnesium to begin muscle healing within hours. Here's a helpful tip. Soak your seeds overnight to reduce phytic acid and increase mineral absorption. Eat them raw in the morning. Blend them into smoothies or sprinkle them over oatmeal. Avoid salted varieties. Within hours, these seeds relieve tension and replenish the minerals your leg muscles desperately need. Food number 7, Tart cherry juice, natural pain relief. Tart cherry juice is more than a trendy health drink. This powerful extract offers significant benefits for muscle strength and leg recovery, especially for older adults. Tart cherries contain high levels of anthocyanins, natural compounds that reduce inflammation, increase blood flow, and speed muscle recovery after activity. These compounds help your body remove lactic acid faster. That's the substance causing stiffness and soreness after walking or climbing stairs. A study in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that older adults drinking 2 servings of Tart cherry juice daily experience 23% less muscle pain and significantly increased quadricep strength. What's remarkable is the speed of results, typically within 8 to 12 hours. The juice is concentrated, so 1 small glass contains the anti-inflammatory power of hundreds of cherries. Choose unsweetened, 100% Tart cherry juice, not cocktails or blends. Drink 6 to 8 ounces after activity or in the evening. If it's too tart, dilute with water. For seniors waking with discomfort, Tart cherry juice becomes a rapid leg rehabilitation tool. This simple addition reduces nighttime stiffness, restores blood flow, and improves your ability to stand, walk, and climb stairs by the next day. Food number 6, cooked spinach, the circulation enhancer. Cooked spinach is a nutritional powerhouse for quickly regaining leg strength. Beyond its iron and calcium content, spinach provides high levels of nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, all necessary for oxygen flow, muscle contraction, and nerve muscle communication. Cooking spinach breaks down oxalates that prevent mineral absorption, allowing more beneficial substances to reach your muscles. Research in Frontiers in Physiology showed that older adults eating high-nitrate foods like spinach improved lower limb performance by 16% in just 12 hours. Another Journal of Nutrition study found one serving of cooked spinach improved walking speed and leg endurance in people over 65. Your body converts spinach's nitrates into nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and improves circulation to your lower limbs. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles, promoting faster recovery, improved coordination, and less fatigue. Cook fresh spinach with olive oil, adding lemon juice or garlic. Avoid prolonged boiling. Light steaming or sautéing preserves nutrients best. Eat it warm as a side dish or add to soups and eggs. 1 cup of cooked spinach at lunch or dinner can improve leg muscle function within a day. Food number 5. Lentils. Sustained energy provider. Lentils offer something unique for restoring leg strength in aging muscles. These legumes provide the perfect balance of slow-releasing carbohydrates, protein, and essential minerals including potassium, magnesium, and iron. Their slow digestion ensures steady nutrient supply over several hours, crucial for preventing leg fatigue during standing, walking, or stair climbing. A Journal of Gerontology study found seniors eating lentils daily for 2 weeks improved muscle endurance during leg tasks by 22% compared to those consuming refined carbohydrates. Researchers observed better balance, reduced pain complaints, and faster muscle response times. Lentils are rich in leucine, an amino acid triggering muscle regeneration. They stabilize blood sugar, preventing spikes that cause leg weakness. Their prebiotic fiber supports gut health, crucial for controlling inflammation and nutrient absorption. Cook dry lentils until tender with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or lemon juice. Avoid canned varieties with added salt. Blend into mash, add to soups, or serve warm with vegetables. 1 cup at lunch or dinner recharges leg muscles overnight, improving strength and stability by morning. Food number 4. Salmon. Complete muscle recovery. Salmon stands out as one of the best foods for regaining leg muscle strength. Its unique profile includes omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D, all directly impacting leg muscle function and recovery. Muscle fibers need more than protein. They require the right fats to reduce inflammation and vitamin D to absorb calcium and function properly. Salmon delivers all three. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that older adults eating salmon 3 times weekly showed a 24% increase in leg strength and mobility within 10 days, particularly in knee and thigh muscles. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, enter muscle cells directly, reducing inflammatory cytokines that promote stiffness. The protein rebuilds damaged fibers, while vitamin D regulates muscle contractions and prevents cramping. Choose wild-caught over farm-raised salmon. Bake or grill with lemon, herbs, and olive oil. Avoid frying or sweet glazes. A 4-ounce dinner portion helps your legs feel better by morning, with reduced stiffness, improved strength when rising, and better balance. Salmon is more than healthy eating. It's a recovery strategy. Food number 3. Quinoa. The complete plant protein. Quinoa is remarkably underappreciated for building muscle, especially for seniors wanting stronger legs without relying solely on animal protein. This seed contains all 9 essential amino acids muscles need for growth and repair, making it a complete protein. This is particularly valuable for leg strength, effectively promoting muscle regeneration while supplying iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. These nutrients regulate inflammation, energy production, and circulation in large muscles like quadriceps and hamstrings. The Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found adults replacing refined carbohydrates with quinoa experienced increased muscle endurance and decreased soreness after 1 day. Brazilian research showed seniors eating quinoa for lunch performed better on walking tests the next morning compared to those eating white bread or rice. Quinoa's slow digestion maintains evening energy levels, while its magnesium prevents nighttime muscle cramps. Rinse well before cooking to remove bitter saponins, then simmer until fluffy. Add to breakfast bowls with eggs and spinach, mix with vegetables, or serve as a side dish. Within hours, nutrients begin working, providing more leg energy, better coordination, and stronger pushing power. Food number 2. Beets, the circulation transformer. Beets are circulation-boosting powerhouses that can transform your leg muscle function within hours. Their exceptionally high natural nitrate content makes them uniquely effective. Your body converts beet nitrates into nitric oxide, widening blood vessels and improving oxygen delivery to muscles, particularly in the lower body where circulation slows with age. Poor blood flow causes leg heaviness, stiffness, and weakness. Beets restore healthy circulation, helping muscles get oxygen and nutrients needed for proper function. The Journal of Gerontology found seniors drinking beet juice before walking increased walking speed and leg muscle performance by 19% within hours. Another hypertension study showed daily beet juice significantly reduced blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility in people over 60, greatly enhancing lower body mobility. Participants reported feeling more stable, less pain, and increased energy when walking or climbing stairs. Steam, roast, or blend beets into smoothies. For fastest results, drink pure, unsweetened beetroot juice. Have a small glass morning or 30 minutes before exercise. Your legs quickly feel lighter, more responsive, and less fatigued. Food number 1. Bone broth, the ultimate rebuilder. Bone broth tops our list as the most powerful food for rapidly regaining leg strength. This concentrated, nutrient-dense liquid contains collagen, gelatin, amino acids, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds that strengthen and heal muscles, joints, and connective tissues. Working at the cellular level, bone broth lubricates joints and rebuilds muscle fibers. Collagen forms your muscle tissue's structural matrix, while amino acids like proline and glycine reduce inflammation and enhance mobility. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism found adults drinking collagen-rich bone broth experienced significant leg function improvements and reduced soreness within 24 hours, with 36% increased muscle strength and flexibility within 1 week. Japanese research showed glycine in bone broth increased leg muscle regeneration by 40% in older adults after exertion, with effects visible after 1 day. This rapid recovery occurs because broth nutrients are pre-broken down, making absorption immediate. Seniors regularly consuming bone broth report less stiffness, smoother movement, and more confident steps within hours. Use homemade or quality store-bought broth from grass-fed cattle or pasture-raised chickens. Simmer with apple cider vinegar, garlic, and herbs for 12 hours minimum. Drink warm on an empty stomach morning or post-activity. 1 cup provides instant muscle and joint repair nutrients. 5 morning strategies for maximum benefits. Let me share 5 powerful strategies to maximize these foods' benefits, starting today. Strategy 1. Empty stomach jump. Start. Begin mornings with beetroot or tart cherry juice before eating. These beverages boost circulation and reduce inflammation. Drinking them first triggers nitric oxide production, widening blood vessels and improving muscle oxygen delivery. Within an hour, legs feel less stiff and more mobile. 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened juice makes a significant difference. Strategy 2. Smart carb pairing. Always combine protein with slow-burning carbohydrates like lentils or quinoa. Your muscles need steady energy to utilize protein properly. This combination provides sustained energy for hours, preventing crashes and midday leg fatigue. Try quinoa with eggs and spinach, or lentil soup with vegetables. Strategy 3. Post-activity recovery. Drink warm bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after morning activity. After any movement, even stretching, muscle fibers are primed to absorb collagen and amino acids. This timing allows immediate muscle healing. 1 small cup significantly improves afternoon leg recovery. Strategy 4. Cramp prevention. For leg cramps or morning tightness, start with soaked pumpkin seeds. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and potassium, essential for proper muscle contraction. Overnight soaking improves digestion and mineral absorption. 1 to 2 tablespoons addresses calf tightness and cramping. Strategy 5. Breakfast boost. Include cooked spinach in breakfast. Its dietary nitrates improve leg blood flow immediately. Sauté with olive oil and garlic, add to eggs, or mix into quinoa bowls. Daily consumption leads to stronger, faster leg performance, often the same day. Your journey to stronger legs. You've discovered 8 foods that work within 12 hours to restore leg strength. This isn't marketing, it's clinical science. Each food addresses different needs. Pumpkin seeds provide minerals. Tart cherry juice reduces inflammation. Beets boost circulation. And bone broth powers recovery. Together, they create a blueprint for regaining stability, reducing fatigue, and reclaiming strength. Leg weakness isn't inevitable with age. It's often about nutrition, circulation, and recovery. Address these, and your legs respond with improved walking, increased strength, and renewed confidence. Here's your challenge. Choose one food and try it today. Notice how your legs feel tomorrow morning. You'll likely experience better control, balance, and less stiffness. Then add another food. Build your recovery gradually. Your legs are your foundation. They've supported you for decades, and with proper nutrition, they'll carry you much farther than imagined. You deserve to feel strong, stable, and confident with every step. These foods help you achieve that, starting today. Which food excites you most? Your experience matters and might inspire others toward stronger, healthier legs. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength and reclaim mobility. Your journey to stronger legs begins with your next meal. Thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourself, because you deserve to live every day with strength, confidence, and independence.